Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. For more updates, make sure to hit that bell icon. Today, we're diving into the world of student council ideas. Student council ideas, they play a crucial role in fostering a sense of community, leadership, and school spirit. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top innovative student council ideas that can uplift the spirit in your school. So, let's get started. Are you aware of student councils and their importance in a school community? Well, they're not just about studies and assignments. Student councils are all about creating a stress-free environment in classrooms and spreading positive vibes. Now, let's dive into the top 20 student council ideas that can make a difference in your school. 1. Creation of a communication hub. Utilize bulletin boards or digital platforms for better communication. 2. Coffee house with poetry reading. Encourage students and teachers to participate in poetry and song competitions. 3. Costume contests. Get creative with costume contests like a Halloween theme. 4. Catchy student council poster ideas. Foster creativity by asking students to create posters. 5. Slogan for the school's student council. Let students vote for their favorite slogan. 6. Hot Legs contest. A fun activity where participants identify teachers and classmates from leg pictures. 7. Lost and found event. Organize a hall room as a lost and found event. 8. Organize a fashion show. Teach self-introduction and presentation skills. 9. Music fest. Showcase students' musical talents in an auditorium. 10. Plan a virtual community. Create an online community to share feelings and difficulties. 11. School lock-in. Build relationships between freshers and existing students. 12. Weakest link. A game that keeps students engaged and entertained. 13. Autograph dance. Capture fun signatures on a massive board while dancing. 14. Spirit couch. Reward winners of sporting events with pizza and drinks. 15. Spirit week. Create themed weeks to boost school spirit. 16. Student council t-shirt ideas. Design fun t-shirts with positive messages. 17. Talent shows. Engage in academic challenges to boost grades. 18. Organize logical debate. Challenge math and science enthusiasts with logical debates. 19. Raise funds for the school community. Contribute to society by addressing community issues. 20. Popcorn fundraiser. Sell healthy popcorn to raise funds for children's hospitals. That wraps up our list of 20 innovative student council ideas to boost school spirit. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that bell icon for more exciting updates. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more inspiring content. Student council ideas are all about making a difference in your school community, so go out there and start spreading positive vibes.